Good morning, YouTube fam. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Thursday so far. Before I head out to Dallas, yes, I will be at the Dallas Europa this weekend. I will be there with PE Science. I'm not too sure what the booth number is quite yet, but as soon as I know, I will post it on my social media. So Instagram, Twitter, that's all I have. Which I will put down here so you guys can follow me if you aren't following me already. Like I was saying, before I head out to Dallas, I do want to make a little donut pillow talk because obviously I won't be able to while I'm over there. So I want to ask you guys one thing. Where does your motivation come from? I think the main and most important thing when it comes to being motivated and having motivation is having a vision. That's like the main part. If you don't have a vision, if you don't have a purpose, if you don't know where you're going, then that's going to be your first step before finding motivation. A lot of people expect their journeys to be easy, and the truth is that nothing is supposed to be easy in this world. No matter how much you love it, no matter how passionate you are about it, there's just some days where you're not going to feel it. And I feel like those days are what make or break you. If you get past those days, and that's what's gonna make you a stronger person, that's what's gonna build a stronger you. So how do we get past those humps and get over those days and reassure ourselves that we are on the right path, that we are doing the right thing? For me, the main thing that helps me find motivation is kind of just sitting down, taking a moment to myself, thinking back to where I was when I started this journey, thinking why I started it, remembering that it's normal to have days where you're just not feeling it. And then I either read some books, I look for the motivation. A lot of people think that you're supposed to just like wake up and just feel it. No, it doesn't work that way. Some days you might, and some days I definitely wake up and I just feel ready to conquer the world. Other days I feel like there's something sitting on me and I just can't even get out of bed, but I choose to get out of bed. I choose to feel motivated. I choose to be happy, and I choose to, you know, still continue with my day, still get my list of things that I need to do done. And that's just what's gonna make you a stronger person. And that's basically where I find my motivation, is just within myself. A lot of the times I do outsource and kind of read other books or watch YouTube videos. There's a couple people that I love watching and really help me find motivation when I can't find it within myself. And those are Gary Vaynerchuk. Just started watching him like about a month ago and I'm completely obsessed with the guy. And then Elliot Hulse as well. I love what they stand for. I love the way they carry themselves, what they say, everything they believe in. Literally all it takes is one video and I'm ready to go for the day. So just a little reminder for you guys that just because you're not feeling it, you don't feel like you love that thing that motivated you maybe a year ago, it doesn't mean that you're on the wrong path. It just means that you're human. You're having just one of those days and it's normal. Don't let those days make you doubt yourself and make you feel like you're not where you are supposed to be, because if you've made it this far, it means that you are doing what you love. Just take yourself back to where you were when you started and how passionate you felt about it. Honestly, everything in life requires work. There's nothing that's just gonna come easy to you. There's gonna be days that are gonna be easy, there's gonna be days that are gonna be hard, and it doesn't mean that you're doing the wrong thing. It just means that life is happening. So just remember that there's been so many times that I've questioned myself and wondered if I'm in the right career path, if I'm doing the right thing, if I truly do love this. And honestly, when I think back to everything that I've gotten through, I think back to my victories, I think back to, I wouldn't say failures because it's stuff that I've learned from and that has made me grow as a person. I remember that this is what I am meant to be doing and this is what I truly honestly love. And just like talking about it right now is like making my heart feel a certain way because I truly do love what I'm doing. So if you love what you're doing, if you believe it's your passion, if you have a vision, there's no reason why you're gonna quit. So just remember that. If you're not feeling it, sit down, find something that's gonna spark that motivation back up and just keep going. Happy Thursday, guys.